The Vico FX, where we teach you how to trade forex profitably and analyze the market in a simple term. So in this training, I'm going to teach you how to analyze the forex market using indicators. So indicators may not be the best tool to use to trade the forex, but at the same time, it still help. So I will teach you three trend indicators and three oscillators to use. First, let's start with the moving average. So how do you place an indicator, or even if you know how to place indicator, let's click on insert, click on indicators. Now we'll go to trend, go to moving average. So let's start with moving average. Click on moving average. Then we can choose this tick bar. Then let's choose the color, set the color still to magenta and click. We are using 25 period moving average. Let's click OK. So how do you analyze the forex using moving average? In a simple way, when you see the moving average line below your candle, not when it cut in between. That can be indecision when you are using moving average to analyze the forex market. So when you're analyzing using the moving average, when you see it below the candle, it signals a bullish movement. It shows that the market is in a bullish direction, so you can place a buy order. And when you see the market above the candle, it shows that the market is in a bearish direction, so you should place a sell order. Always remember to set your stop loss and take profit where necessary to maintain your risk strategy. So after analyzing using the moving average, you can delete by right clicking on top of the indicator and click on delete. It will go. So next, let's click on insert, click on indicator, click on trend. Let's analyze the market using parabolic SAT. I'll click on it, then I'll change the color to yellow. I'll maintain a tick bar. So I'll use 0.02 step. Click OK. So now, how do you analyze using this parabolic stars? First, you analyze the parabolic stars when you see the multiple uh, dotted lines below the candle. It signals a bullish market. It shows that the trend of the market is bullish. Remember, trend indicators follows the trend. So shows that the market is in a bullish trend. So you're expected to place a buy order. Then when you see the multiple dotted lines above the candle, it shows that the market is in a bearish trend. So you should place a sell order. So after analyzing the market using the parabolic chart, you can delete the indicator. If you want to leave it, you leave it. But if you want to delete it, then point to the indicator, right click and click on delete. It will go. Next, and the third, which is the third trend indicators that I will teach. Click on insert, click on indicator, then click on trend, click on Bollinger Bands. Then I will choose red at this point. Then I'll still maintain the tick bar. I'll leave my Bollinger Bands at 20 period. Then I'll click OK. So how do you analyze the forex market using these Bollinger Bands? Bollinger Bands is made up of three major bars, three major lines. So how do you analyze the forex market using Bollinger Bands? Remember, in analyzing the forex market, the history, previous market can also be looked at for you to predict the future market. But at the same time, your major focus should be on the last candle. So now looking at these three major lines, you analyze the Bollinger Bands in a simple way. When you see two out of the three major lines below the candle, you can see we have three here. We have three here. Then we can see that two out of these three is below this candle. It shows that the market is in a bullish trend. Shows you the direction of the market, that the market is in a bullish trend. Then when you see two out of the candle above, two out of the three major Bollinger lines above the candle, it shows that the market is in a bearish trend. Let me repeat. When you see two out of the three major Bollinger Bands line below your candle, as you are seeing it here, it shows that the market is in a bullish trend. It's going upwards. And when you see two out of the three major Bollinger Band lines above your candle, as you are seeing it here, it shows that the market is in a bearish trend. That means the market is coming down. So you can place sell here and set your stop loss and take profits where necessary. So want to, after you have analyzed using the Bollinger Bands, you can delete by right clicking on indicators, then click on delete. Go. I have analyzed the forex market using three trend indicators. Now let's go to three oscillators. Then what is oscillators? I've said that trend indicators are those indicators that follow the direction of the market. Now, what is an oscillator? Oscillators are those indicators used to measure the strength, the signal of that movement or the momentum of that particular movement. So let's click on insert, click on indicator, we'll go to oscillator. So we'll start with stochastic oscillator. So click on stochastic oscillator. I will leave the lines. Okay, let me just form a tick line. I'll get a tick line. Let me change the colors to a very shouty color. Let me use yellow. Then I'll leave it as 5 and 3 period. I'll click on okay. So you can see the stochastic oscillator bar. Stochastic oscillator has the two lines that move with it with two major points. Note, stochastic oscillator have two major points, point 80 and point 20. Then for you to analyze stochastic oscillator in a simple way, when you see the market cross above point 80, it gives the market strength that at this point, the buying power is weak and more sellers are beginning to enter the market. So you can place a sell order. Then uh, when you see the line, the stochastic oscillator line, the double line cross below point 20, it shows that the selling strength is now getting weak. So more sellers will soon enter the market. So you are advised to place buy order. Let me analyze it again. Stochastic oscillator have two major points, point 80 and point 20. As you can see here, when you see the double line cross above point 80, it shows that the market has begun to experience uh, low buying pressure. Thereby, you are expected to place a sell order. Then when the line get down to point 20, it shows that the selling power is now weak. So the selling power gets weak at point 20, you are expected to place a buy order. While the buying power gets weak at point 80 and above, you're expected to place a sell order if you are using stochastic oscillator to analyze the market. So after analyzing the market using stochastic, you can close by right clicking on the indicator and you click delete. Now let's go to let's click on indicator again, go to oscillator, then go to RSI, relative strength index. Click on it, click OK. I'm using blue line. So in this RSI, is more similar to a stochastic oscillator. RSI is also used to measure the strength of the market. In RSI, it has point 70 and point 30. When you see this RSI by a line cross above 70 or at 70, it shows that buying power is now weak. So you are expected to place a sell order. Then when you see the RSI line cross below or at line point 30, you are expected to place a buy order. It signals that the selling power is now weak. So the selling power gets weak at point 30 in RSI and the buying power gets weak at point 70 and above in RSI. So after analyzing the market using RSI, can place your buy or sell, set your take profit and stop loss where necessary. Then you can delete or you leave it. So I like deleting my indicators to make my chart very neat. So right click on indicator and we delete. So let's click on indicator again and we treat the next oscillator. Going to oscillator. So getting to this oscillator, we can analyze the MACD, which is moving average convergence divergence. So you click on it, then I can set the bars to be a little bit thick. Then let me set the color. Let me use red and yellow. So I'll click OK. So now, just like your phone network gives you signals by um, bar picture or bar indication. You can see the bars when you have a low signal in your phone, you see the bars, the bar line reducing. So as your MACD, moving average convergence and divergence line, shows you the signal of either the upward or downward market movement using bar. So we can see here that the market has a very long bars upwards, indicating that there is a very strong bullish uh, momentum. So you can place a buy order. Then in our last in the last bar that we are seeing here, we can see long bars that face downwards, indicating that the market is experiencing a strong bearish momentum, that the market is going down strongly. So you can place a sell order, but remember to check your entry point and note your exit point so that you can place your stop loss and take profit where necessary. So I have just analyzed the market using three trend indicators and three oscillators, which shows the strength of the market, and the other one which shows the direction of the market. So do well to watch my other videos on how to trade forex better and profitably. Thanks and remain blessed.